I finally did it. I bought the Omnia oven. I have been talking and thinking about getting one for a while, and now it's finally here. I am super excited to unbox it and show everything I've got, including some accessories that I think will make it even more useful on our camping trips. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Martina and I love exploring ways to make camping even more fun and comfortable. Today, let's check out my brand new Omnia oven. I've heard so much about it, our friends are using it, and I can't wait to unbox it with you all and see what the hype is all about. Alright, now let's see what I've got. First, here is the Omnia oven itself. It comes in this box and it's super lightweight, so now we have to open the box. The Omnia oven is packed in a carrying bag and it's of a great small size. I love the sleek design as it's compact but still looks quite stylish. Now let us talk a bit about the Omnia first. The Omnia oven is a compact stovetop baking system that allows you to bake and cook a variety of dishes without needing a traditional oven. It's designed for use on gas stoves and camping stoves. The Omnia oven works by distributing heat evenly, creating an oven-like effect right on your stovetop. The Omnia oven is made up of three key parts, each playing a crucial role in the heat distribution and baking. First, here is the stainless steel base. It's the bottom part of the Omnia oven and it's placed directly over the flame or stovetop burner. It has a center hole which allows heat to rise and circulate evenly through the oven. This base is essential for creating the proper convection effect that actually makes baking possible without a traditional oven. Then we have the aluminium baking pan. This is actually the cooking container where you place your food. It also has a center hole, allowing heat to pass through and distribute evenly. The aluminium construction helps retain and spread heat efficiently, ensuring even cooking and baking, of course. It has a circular bound-like shape, which improves airflow and ensures consistent results. And then on the end, the third part is the aluminium lid. The lid helps trap heat inside the oven, creating an oven-like environment. It's slightly domed, allowing the better heat circulation. There are as well some small holes, ventilation holes, to let out excess moisture, preventing food from becoming too soggy. So, how Omnia oven actually works? When placed on a heat surface, the flame or heat rises through the hole in the base, warming the aluminium baking pan from both the bottom and of course as well from the center. And then the lid traps the heat, allowing food to cook evenly just like in a regular oven. This unique system makes the Omnia ideal for baking bread, muffins and even cakes while camping or traveling. As well as other camping gear, the Omnia comes of course with some instructions, and I would recommend to read them before you start using your Omnia. Okay, now let's move to other accessories I bought. I got a silicone mold. This will make it easier to bake and clean everything because it's not sticking, and as you can see, it fits perfectly inside of the oven. Then I have the muffin ring. I love the idea of baking muffins or little snacks while camping, and this shape should make them bake evenly and look great. And I like the form because actually it's foldable, so I can always store it directly in the Omnia oven itself, so it does not take lots of space. Then I have as well a ring for baking bread, meat or veggies, so they don't burn. It looks like this, and you can place it directly as well in the Omnia oven, so your food is not burning. So like this, you see? I think it will be really helpful while making some bread because sometimes, you don't want to run to the bakery. And finally, I got as well a thermostat. Since the Omnia doesn't have a built-in thermostat, this will help me keep track of baking heat so I don't burn anything. Now let's talk about why I choose the Omnia oven. One of the main reasons is its portability. It looks super easy to pack up and take on every camping trip, and it doesn't take up much space and it's super lightweight. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. I heard from other campers that it's perfect for baking, roasting, and even making one-pan meals with it. So I'm super excited to start cooking with the Omnia oven. Let me know in the comments if you have one and what your favorite recipes are. So stay tuned for my first test run coming soon. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more camping tips, reviews, and adventures. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video really soon. Bye!